How to sell cryptocurrency on the Bit.team exchange. On the main page, click Go to the exchange. In the search field, enter the cryptocurrency you need and select the appropriate trading pair. The account balance of the first selected coin in the pair should be positive for you to be able to conduct a transaction. Now read the chart, the history of recent transactions, and analyze the trading classes. In the middle under the chart, the main trading terminal is presented. Here you can work on limit and market orders. In the first one, you can specify the price yourself, and in the second one, use the current sale price. If you are satisfied with price and volume of purchase orders, then select the desired volume, click, and the price will be inserted in the appropriate field in the Sell section. If necessary, adjust the amount of coins, check the fees, and click Sell. If you want to place an order at your price in the red glass of sale, specify a competitive price, higher than in the purchase orders. Your order will be marked for easy displaying and it will be placed in sell orders. Now you need to wait for a buyer who is satisfied with the price of your order and he will execute it. Below on the page, your active orders are displayed in the corresponding block, where you can observe the partial execution of the order and also you can cancel them. In addition, the history of orders and the history of transactions are located in the tabs of the same name. The purchased cryptocurrency is immediately displayed on your balance, where you can get to by clicking on the profile icon.